Alrighty guys, so in the last video what we did is we were pretty much sitting there and waiting for a connection from someone else. Well, now we are connected to someone else, so what we need to do now is we need to set up the streams or the pathways of communication to and from the other computer. So in order to do that, we need to code a method called setUpStreams. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So underneath your wait for connection method, go ahead and make another connection, and what this is going to do is get stream to send and receive data. So this is of course going to be private. It's not going to return anything. Void set up, not steams, or I do want some steamed corn right now. Okay, set up streams, and this is going to throws IO exception. Alright, now okay, deep breath, deep breath. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is, well, let's go ahead and set up the output stream. Now remember, like I said, a stream is a way that you communicate with another computer, and you do that through streams. So output stream is the stream that allows you to output messages, output crap to someone else. So this is really easy. First of all, remember that we coded these variables for output and input streams right at the top, output and input stream objects. So that's what we're creating right now in case you guys are lost. So new object output stream, and as a parameter this takes your connection, so it knows, okay, you're connected to someone. What stream am I building? Connection get output stream. So basically what we're doing in this line of code is creating the pathway that allows us to connect to another computer. What connection or what computer do we want to connect to? Well, whatever computer this socket created. So now what we want to do is, now that we have that pathway, it's just good housekeeping to do output flush. And the reason for this is because sometimes whenever you try to send something, the way that messaging works is they have to deal with buffers and bytes, and sometimes bytes get left over in the buffer. How can I explain this? Sometimes data gets left over when you try to send something to someone else. So imagine that, in order for you to connect to someone else, you both have water pipes. So sometimes there's some crap left over in the water pipe. What you want to do is flush it out or push the rest of the crap through to the other person. That's basically what it does. Most of the time you shouldn't have any crap left over, but